But on the second floor it has its original doors.
What's this? Which has got its original doors? This one?
On the second floor here, on the upper floor, they has the original doors.
Cool, but you can't get there.
No.
Because there's no button in there. Too.
No, but in the right elevator.
Yes. Is it possible to call it from the second floor?
Yes.
You
Yes,
can call
but,
this one?
No, I don't know. That I never tried.
Because it would be too strange.
Yes. Maybe it crashed. Yes.
I found an elevator with only one door, having in the basement a swing door and in the ground floor an automatic door outside.
Yes.
That's kind of strange.
Yes. But when it crashed, they could use the original one.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
I like the
We are
buttons.
the basement.
Yes, I'm serious. Pictures.
Yes, it's so nice.
So are you finished right now? Or what do you do?
Take it to one. And
What?
it,
Goodbye. I think this has got an original motor. I like that.
There's no door open or door close button.
That's weird.
Yeah.
It only has got floor buttons and alarm. It's
Yeah.
not rare.
Yeah.
you got no phone in here?
No.
It has got a phone in the button. Really?
I think so.
Nice idea. So this is freedom.
So there it goes. And that's it.
Now you have the special.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Alright, let's go.
To the elevator.
Let's enter the
No, I
elevator.
don't have a key for this. I don't have a key for this.
No problem. There's your fixtures.
Oh, awesome. I'll take this now.
You can push one. You got doors in the back. It's a really nice elevator. With a phone. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
No photo service.
No, nothing.
Touch the chef floor without anything happens. I like that. So no.
Okay, someone more?
Yes, let's go out.
Why do you go out? What happened?
No, it's a step elevator.
Maybe, but it is a nice elevator.
Yes, it's a nice elevator, I know.
I can't let it go that easily. It's too nice to let it just.
Yes, yes.
Ah shit! Somebody called.
Yes. Ah, lopen we toch af en toe een dames geweest. Lopen we toch af en toe een dames geweest. Ja.
Ik vond die net hier stonden met het donker aan.
Oh. Vinden jullie niet, maar Masha is toch wel leuker, hè?
Ja, tuurlijk, tuurlijk. Film met de Elevator Trucks team.
Ja.
Oh, hier.
Liftboy Nick.
Definitely. Nee, kom je mee?
Ja.
Mag je voor mij op de kaart duwen?
Ik was er wel.
Oké. Ja. Heel stil zijn. Tjak. Mooi ja. Parterre. En dat is de kamer. Volgens mij is ook op personeel. En dit is dan de basement. So we push one?
Yes.
Mag jij duwen?
Aantal.
Oh. Had hij ook een overduur of zo? Oh, ik dacht dat er een probleem zaten. Ja, wie het eerst drukt, daar heeft de lift.
Ja.
Ja, dat is het systeem wat deze lift draagt.
I think you enjoyed the ride.
Yes, we enjoy. Yes, pushed is the left boy here.
Did it also have got a rear door?